Hi guys, welcome to AM Dance YouTube channel. Today we're teaching the chase by Hearts2Hearts. This is a step-by-step tutorial with no music. We will show each move slowly, then with counting. Chapter timeline will be in the description and you can try with slow music by following our shorts at 60, 80 or 100% speed. Let's get started.
Right arm on top, get ready. Now we are doing the hands first. Hands go open, switch, over, and open. Okay, and then with your legs together, when you open your hands, step on your left leg. One, and then when you switch, right leg go forward. When your arms go over, step on your right leg, go over, your left hip go up, when your hands go open again, and your hip sit. Okay, put them together, go forward, switch, roll over, step on right leg, and then sit. After that, open arms, cross, you go open, up. Let's try with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, after an 8, now hands all the way down, sharp. Right arms on the top, slowly switching right arm to the bottom, and then flip both hands to the left side. When you flip your hands, the right leg goes step, and then step your left leg back, and then both arms go right. Hold it, hold, and then clean. After this, go down, palm up, slowly go bottom, and then change and side. And then raise your both arms. Go 3 times your hip. 2, 3. Okay, let's try with counting. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Okay, one more time. Make a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Okay, after this part, and then step on your right leg back, then your arms on the bottom or on the top of your head, and go roll over. Roll over, and your hands from cross to open. At the same time, hands open, right hip go up. Okay, make them together. Go over, up, and hip. And then arms go cross, up, down, and then up, down. Arms down. Draw a circle at the same time. Your right leg goes circle around the back, and hip up. Okay. Try this counting. 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Okay, after this, and the hip, going go sit down for 5 times. At the same time, when your first one, body go forward, and slowly body go backward. So 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then change your balance to your left side, left arm, leg, and then right arm go raise up. And then left arm go raise up. And down, out, in. Okay, let's try this counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1. Okay, after this, and then step on your right leg. Right arm go push out. Balance, move to right side. And then hands go sparkle, sparkle. Down, up, down, tap. And then swing your hair. Step on your right leg and the left shoulder go forward. Step, step. Hands. And then go around your head. Okay, let's try this counting for this part. Okay, so after go this, go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Yes. Okay, make a little bit faster. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Okay, let's try this counting. Start from beginning to the end. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4.
Great job for finishing this tutorial, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and let us know about other dances you like to learn in the comment. See you next dance!